Well, welcome back, guys, to an episode of JWD Outdoors. Ross and I are doing some fishing today. I'm planning on fishing the river. We're gonna float it. Got the canoe on here, and we're just loading everything up right now. Got the baits, got the rods. The goal for today is to do, what the hell's going on with my hair here? Pretty annoying. There. Alright. The goal for today is to hopefully do a catch and cook. We're going to be on the boat. We're going to be in a lot of public water. So if we catch something worth eating, we'll stop, we'll get out, we'll fillet it on shore, and then we'll cook it as well. So that's the goal. A lot of northern walleye, muskie, bass, pretty much anything that bites we're going for. So we'll see. I'm not going to keep a muskie if I catch one, but it should make for some decent video. But yeah, we'll see what happens, and we're gonna hit the water here shortly, and we'll see you guys out there. We're just rigging up right now. We're ready to hit the water. Canoe's already in. We each got a couple rods, rigging on different species, different baits on each rod, and hopefully with any luck, hook into something decent. Alright, we're off. Alright, I'm gonna start with just a Meps number 4, kind of a fire tiger color. Throw this for a while. Oh yeah, it's shallow enough. It should be small in here. I can see bottom. Yeah, this looks good. Not yet. Couple nice guys just asked for catching fish. We just started, so keyword, not yet. Oh, big muskie just followed my bait up, dude. I just pulled it out of the water. We got, dude, that's a 45-inch muskie, dude. That's a 45-inch muskie, dude. All right, well, we've been on here for like 15 minutes. We've already had 3 follow-ups with muskies. I had one come right up to my bait, never hit it. It's probably a good, it had to be 45-inch. Ross had one follow his, and then now he's got the whopper plopper back on. I literally, right over the side of the boat, came up and he smacked it and just hit right behind it. It sucks because I really tried getting the camera, but I couldn't get the camera out fast enough because I watched him follow it. I mean, it was right over the boat. But super good start. I'm hoping this continues. And hopefully we get some good video because the fish are definitely in here and they're active. 3 muskies in about 15 minutes. Dang. Alright, we're getting out right now. Trying to grab the camera. Oh, I had my drag set too tight. Oh, at least it wasn't the big one, but still a nice fish. Let's go tool over on the other side. No horse then. That's a northern. We got dinner. If he doesn't get it. Yeah, buddy. Nice. On the topper. Plopper. The whopper plopper did it. Well, at least we got some sort of shore lunch. Yeah. Nice. Well, Ross just caught us some lunch after a couple of muskie mishaps, and finally had a topwater blow up. And we don't have a stringer, so we're gonna improvise, and we're gonna use this ratchet strap. And we're gonna keep going on our way, and then eventually we're gonna stop for some shore lunch. All right, you hold them. I'm gonna slide this through. Okay. Don't need to give them too much slack. All right. There we go. Car, it's the one time I know the GoPro running. It's a little baby guy. Little football. Let's see, buddy. Alrighty. Not the greatest video so far. I'm recording a lot on the GoPro and haven't really had much action besides the muskies. And then Ross caught that one northern. I caught a little smallie now. I'm about halfway down the stretch. Found a little island. Got the grill. He's gonna flay the northern up. And we're gonna continue on the route. Hopefully end with a few more fish, but so far it's been really beautiful. Nice day, nice sky, and we got food, so.
Heck yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna put them out quick. Thank you, buddy. Gonna eat good. Alright, fish is dead. We're gonna pull the grill and everything out of the boat. Probably set it right up here somewhere. Probably over there actually, there's not much for rocks. Get the grill going, I got grease, we got red hot, we got flour, and we got seasoning salt. So he's gonna flay it, and I'm gonna get the pan ready, and we'll be eating good shortly. She's got some nice pearlies on her. Yeah, they'll cut you. The fish looks so big when you do that, but then in reality it's only like 22 inches. But also, that is a good eater. We don't want to keep anything really bigger than that. Maybe for pickling, but we like to catch them for fun, but we also want to do a video on a shore lunch, so we decided to keep that one northern, and that's what we're gonna eat. Alright, well, Ross got done flaying them. Got a couple water bottles. Instead of using the river water, we're just going to wash them off. Don't ask me how we managed to fit so much stuff in a small little canoe, but we did. Alright. Beautiful scenery. Alright, well, Ross just got done cubing this northern up. We're going to throw these all into a bag. Just got done cleaning them. And then normally what we do, you guys have watched any other videos on this channel, we're a big fan of Red Hot, the Buffalo Red Hot. We're going to douse these, let them soak for probably 20 minutes. Normally I like to let it sit for about a day, but we don't have that much time. We got to get fishing again, so gonna lather them up in there. Soaking. And then when them are soaking, I'm gonna take, oh actually I'm at the wait. Never mind. We had to use a shopping bag to put our flour in because we ran out of bags. So this is full of flour. But I'm gonna season this with some seasoning salt. And then when them are soaked, after they've soaked for about 20 minutes, drop them in here, and then from here they're going into grease. It's the most ghetto bag I've ever used for fish in my life. We got our pan, got the grill set up. Just a few minutes, we're gonna be eating good. Went from about 20 minutes ago being alive, swimming around the river, to us having some shore lunch. So I'm glad you finally caught something, because I wasn't catching anything. And I'm hungry.
What was that? Geese?
Alrighty. Fillets have been soaking for a little bit. Take them out of here. Plop them right into our bag. Flour. Some good shake. Alright. Should be good and battered. Take them out of here. Drop them into our grease. Fit one more in there. Yummy.
That looks so good.
Yeah.
We gotta cook them a little bit hotter, faster. No.
Uh-oh.
They're gonna be soggy. No. Cook hot and fast. Not too fast, but fast enough where it's not gonna get soggy, you know?
Copy.
Shut up.
Well, there it is. Finished product. Try a piece.
That's too hot. I can't even taste it, it's so hot.
It looks really good.
Tastes really good.
I'm gonna dig in and have a bite. Nice crispy piece of northern. That's super good. Super good. Not super hot yet, but it's delicious. I have to rate that like a 6 or 7 out of 10. It's really good. Really good. For being a northern, you wouldn't think they'd be that good, but delicious.
So good.
Nice golden brown, crispy, just flaky. Real nice flaky meat. Well, that was a success. Pick all this stuff up, get it back in the canoe, and then back downriver we go. Nice muskie, loosen your drag. Loosen it more. Let him run. He's gonna have to run more than that. Nice fish. Hammered that top water. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna rely on the GoPro here. I'm gonna try getting him when you get off to the boat. Hold on. GoPro's going. He's hooked up. All right. Don't horse him either. If he wants to run, let him go. It's the best way to lose one. Okay. I'm not grabbing that line either. Come on, buddy. That was your first cast up there, wasn't it? Oh my god. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice. Let's make it quick. He's hardly hooked either. Cause they don't do good in this heat. Here, you're gonna want to grab him. Otherwise he's gonna flop right back in. You got him? Okay, I'm gonna get a quick pick. God dang, lucky son of a gun. Nice muskie. Heck yeah.
Big old teeth on them.
Hold him closer a little bit. Oh yeah. Alright, let's let him go. Wait a minute.
Oh, too late.
That's alright. There she goes. Nice.
Heck yeah. Third muskie ever.
Oh, another muskie? Let him run if he wants to run. Is that a big bass?
It might be.
Oh, that's a nice largemouth. The heck?
I'm trying to throw my bait. Come on, you.
You're gonna lose them. Oh man. Didn't get crap for video on that. I don't think I got. Oh, the GoPro was on, but what the heck? They must like that color. Lucky son of a gun. Muskie and no nice bass. I thought it was a muskie. How green it was on the side. It's a nice one.
underwater or no?
Nah, pretty dark. Nice.
Yep.
Oh my God. How do I miss him, dude? That scared me so bad. My heart literally stopped, I'm pretty sure, for a good 2 seconds. I don't think I got that on GoPro because I was like this.
Yeah. You probably hear it though.
Oh, yeah. God dang it. I was only catch a big fish. Big northern, big bass. Right alongside. You didn't see it, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you didn't see the fish.
No,
I didn't either, but I should have been able to. It was right there. Nope.
Yeah.
Nope. I think it's a muskie.
No.
Yes. It's not a largemouth, I'm telling you that right now. Muskie. Muskie, isn't it?
I saw spots on its feet.
It's a muskie. Isn't it?
I'm saying northern.
It is a northern, yeah. God dang. I could have sworn at first. What did I just say? No, it was on video. That was sweet. That's sweet.
Well, finally connected on a fish after a bunch of misses. That's a northern. That's a northern whopper. Hopefully I got that on, captured that on video. Oh no, what do the players do?
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need him. He's choked it. He's pretty much zip shot.
Here.
Thank you. Late afternoon northern. Get the leaves. Get back at it. Thanks, buddy. There she goes.
Off he goes. All right, I'll lob one.
We had this all set from the cell phone. And we parked the boat and we saw 9 muskrats come out. 3
My drag is set too loose. No. Oh, I still got him. How did I get him, dude? My drag is so loose, dude. My drag is so loose. That's bigger than the last one. Dude, I don't know how I even got him. My drag is so loose. He's pissed, dude. 2 back to back. He's about the same size.
A little bigger, that was cold.
Yeah, he's soaking everything. Dude, my drag, you see my drag? Just took off and I couldn't do nothing. I'm like, what the heck?
Took off on her own.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
A nice little gator. So fun in that top water.
It's the most fish I've ever caught in top water. Yeah, I've only caught you. Thanks for the shower, dude. You never really realize how fun that is until you actually catch a few like that.
Yeah. It's a big bass.
Want me to get him?
Yeah.
Bring him over here. Oh! Oh!
Come on. Just grab him by the
Giant.
Dude, he just happened. That must have been him that just hit.
Oh yeah.
That's perfect.
Had to have been him.
Dude, he's hooked big time. You got a pliers handy?
They're up by you. Right by your butt cheek there.
And of course, I didn't get it on GoPro. The GoPro just died. Dude, we gotta measure this thing. That's honestly probably my biggest bass. Heavy fish.
Whoa!
And that's a freaking slob, dude.
Giant.
Oh my, look at them.
Big bucket mouth.
Look at the mouth.
Probably fit my whole fist in there almost.
Heck yeah. That was awesome, dude. Good way to end the night. Freaking right when we were ending it. Man, literally, I could fit. Literally fit my face. He's not that long, but he's just stout, fat, thick. He's got to be over, I'm guessing 18, 19.
20
20
inches.
and a quarter. 20 and a quarter. Can you see it at all?
Yeah.
Alright. Recording? Sure?
Yeah.
Alright guys. This thing, I don't know how to do justice on this fish really. I mean,
It's a slob.
it's literally, it's a slob. 20 and a quarter, and he's a chunker. It's at least a 4.5.
Yeah.
It's gotta be a 4.5 pound fish, at least.
Yeah.
We're gonna get her back. Let her go, let her grow. Great big bucket mouth. Just a giant. She's already ready, holy crap. There she goes.
God
damn,
there you go.
that was awesome.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
Well, it was a super good night right at the ending. Caught a 20 and a quarter inch largemouth, and then just realized I did a really big oh no. Yeah, we parked trucks in 2 different spots, quite a ways away from each other. And then now we just realized that I left my keys in Ross's truck. So now we are stuck at the landing, and now I need to figure out a way to get us back. Mosquitoes are bad.
So bad.
It was a really good day, and then it just turned kind of tables on us because I wasn't even thinking, and I ended up putting my keys in his glove box, and that's where they remain right now. So super stupid. Dumb. But now we gotta figure out a way to get back, so we're gonna do that. Well, it's getting dark. Don't have much for light. Currently getting bit up real bad, and we're waiting for a ride, so yeah. I'll keep you posted, but meanwhile we're gonna have half our blood sucked out of us. Well, it's the next day, and yes, finally got a ride home last night, thanks to our buddy Wes. It was late, but yeah, we has a big screw up on my part. Left the keys in the truck, got all the way down with the float, and then realized that the keys were at the beginning. So anyways, we're fine, we're home, we made it. Super fun day in the river, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, click that bell to get notified, and even give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment, and there definitely will be more content coming soon. And always eat, sleep, hunt, fish. See you guys next time.